Hey guys, Jarod down here with Redwater Dodge, home of the Rig Ready Rams, Rig Ready Used and Rig Ready Approved. And today we're going to be talking, can you change your factory order once it is placed? So the answer is yes, you can, but you want to do these things as soon as you know, the sooner the better, guys. So when you're in the production phase, you can absolutely change things. You're going to have kind of your more low risk items, like you're changing your interior, your color, your wheels, that kind of thing, guys. When you want to get into, when you're looking at more medium risk options, that's going to be like adding packages. So if you want to add a technology package, a trailer tow package, that kind of thing, that's where things can get a little bit difficult for you. More where you're into the high risk stuff, guys, is when you are in that scheduling phase. If you want to do a big change like your bed length, your engine, your drivetrain, anything like that, guys, those things can completely reset your order, kicking it back into the production phase instead of the scheduling phase, which can reset, which it will completely reset your time schedule. So that 3 to 4 months that you would wait on a factory order, it can completely reset that. As well as the big thing that you want to look at is pricing can change, guys. So if you get put into a point where you have to kind of reschedule that and get another brand new order, guys, incentives change month to month. So your pricing can change. As long as you don't change up too much to where it kicks back into that, you're gonna have your nice price lock, know what you're paying for your vehicle, and get that done for you, guys. If you wanna come in and give us a call so we can help you get a truck or vehicle factory order, give us a shout, 780-942-3629.